For those of you experiencing the popping noise on the driver's side of your Toyota Sienna, this is a possible fix for you. A number of years back, they had a recall and redid the spot where the door attaches, and it's taken a while, but now the popping noise has come back, and it's not this portion that they redid before. It's right here, and that little black thing opens and closes as the door opens and closes, and when it closes and opens, this opens right in between here. There's a gap, and it makes a popping sound. So I tried to pop this down, the pin that's in there, and that didn't go anywhere. And I thought I could get in there and put a little bit of space, make up some space so it wouldn't slam shut and pop. But when I did that, I tried just a hammer, and that didn't work to get the pin out. But what it did do is it stopped the popping. So it closed the gap on this bracket here and here, and now it no longer makes a popping sound. I'll let you hear it, and you'll just have to trust me that it actually made the popping sound before. Open and closes like a new vehicle. And that's how I fixed it.